today.
All right. Well, you know what we had? I call it football watching weather yesterday.
It
with
was
the rain coming down.
Yeah, it was so heavy at times. In fact, there were a lot of spots that potentially could use some sandbags, and that was tweeted out from Noblesville Emergency Management yesterday. If you needed sandbags, if you had some flooding in your area, come pick it up. And that's because of just a significant amount of rainfall in very isolated spots throughout the state. Now, if we would put this into a 48-hour perspective, I think we would see a lot more yellow on this map, and that would be a 3-inch plus zone of rainfall accumulation. But this is the past 24 hours over at the Indianapolis International Airport, picking up right around 3/4 of an inch of rain. Same deal up in Muncie, around 1/2 of an inch in Shelbyville. But I want to zoom in a little closer to where the heaviest spots were over the past 24 hours. And that extends from portions of Madison County down into Hancock County, where many areas picked up 2.5 to 3 inches of rain with this event that rolled through yesterday. So that's a significant amount. And while most of us are now starting to dry out, we're not completely done with that rain chance. We've got the wraparound moisture on the backside of this area of low pressure. And as I kind of zoom out here, you can see this counterclockwise rotation around that low, which is kind of stalled out near Chicago. And all of this moisture still going to be wrapping around the backside of that area of low pressure. So that's why for today, we are still calling for that potential of some leftover cloud cover as well as some stray showers. We're also getting in on that much cooler air on the backside of that area of low pressure. Chicago now is running 12 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. Indy is down by 9 degrees, but check out St. Louis down by 14. That much cooler air going to continue to take over for us here in central Indiana. So while we're still sitting at 60 here in Indy, I anticipate that temperature to drop a little bit as we go into the morning. So we'll call it around 59 for the first part of the day today. And I do anticipate a little bit of sunshine, at least earlier on, while we're getting a break in that cloud deck. But those clouds will filter right back in this afternoon. Temperatures back into the 60s. A much cooler day, a breezy day with wind gusts coming in out of the west, potentially up to 25 miles per hour at times. And where that cloud deck is going to be more widespread this afternoon, a little bit thicker, northern Indiana, that's where we're going to see those cooler temperatures. Indy forecasting a high here of 68. We'll get into the low 70s to areas south where we will see more sunshine, but places like Kokomo, I think, are going to struggle to get into the mid 60s today. So here's how this plays out. Here comes that increased cloud cover with that wraparound moisture. Scattered rain showers going to be possible here beginning at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Light rain here as we get into the evening drive by 4 p.m. And then eventually this is going to clear out as we get into the day tomorrow. We'll call it 74 on Tuesday with that clearing sky. And then we're going to bring sunshine back. 81 on Wednesday, and we're in the mid 80s by Friday.